Today, we are recognizing our unsung heroes, our custodial and maintenance workers. Our custodians are the people who turn the lights on, clean throughout the day, and have facilities ready for the next morning. District-wide, they're responsible for cleaning 5.1 million square feet of building space. Our maintenance workers specialize in areas including plumbing, electric, HVAC, carpentry, welding, landscaping, and more. They are on call in case of an emergency, and many times they start their day with a list of repairs in hand. They travel throughout our 589 square miles, and they complete between 10,000 to 12,000 work orders every year. I personally want to say thank you to each of these unsung heroes, and I encourage you to take some time to do the same. Truly, together, we are growing greatness.